Kazalex, Jason rides llamas,
MaksMcMuffin,
MaksMcMuffin, QLOX, NKSXUS, Stuxi, Stibay, Toast, NiNo, Rubik, Rocket League Topic, Tommy T999, IShow, Try Hard Show, RocketLeagueCinema, Jacksepticeye, Noclip, Sir Timbers, NoahsNoah, Nexiph, Smithsonian 3, TheCampingRusher, CallMeJoeJoe, TBNR Frags, DanTDM, Rocket League Academy, Fruity, Gibbs, Cloud, Woofless, Pick a Pixel, Rocket League, Rocket League FX, NeatMike, Cizzorz, JHZER, Kronovi, Rocket League Esports, Linkuru, Jon Sandman, Rizzo, Squishy Muffins, Sunless Con, Mertzy, Amisticow.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye!